Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed mixed on Thursday as the United States is considering delaying the tariffs on Mexico. Now, shares in transportation, automobiles and components and consumer durables and apparel, they ended in the red, while shares in energy, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment and consumer services, they closed higher. On the economic docket, the trade deficit growing slightly to $50.8 billion in April. Initial claims increasing to 218,000 for the week ended June 1st. Continuing claims reaching 1.682 million for the week ended May 25th. And lastly, the Bloomberg Consumer Comfort Index edging up 61.7 in the week ended June 2nd. Now, after the markets closed, Zoom Video Communications that released its first quarter adjusted EPS of 3 cents versus 2 cents a year ago on revenue rising 103% year over year, reaching $122 million. Meanwhile, turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei up a little more than 0.5%. The Hang Seng up 0.25%. China's CSI 300 down 0.9%. South Korea's Kospi rising 0.16%. European markets gaining ground and U.S. futures posting a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Kraft Heinz first quarter EPS seen at 61 cents, while on the economic docket 8:30 in the morning, we have the unemployment rate for the month of May as well as the non-farm payrolls report. We also have average hourly earnings, while 10 o'clock in the morning, we have April wholesale inventories, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, April consumer credit. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees the upside prevail. The Nasdaq sees further advance, and that's in focus as the relative strength index is bullish and calls for further upside. Now, long positions above 72.60 are favored with targets at 73.50 and 73.70 in extension. The Dow Jones moving towards 25,945.